Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for clicking this video. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions of the new Chanel Summer 2021 collection. I never tried anything from Chanel before. I wasn't really interested, but when I saw this quad, this purple quad, I was like, you know what? It was like my birthday almost 2 weeks ago, and I never tried anything from Chanel before, so I decided to pick up one of each item from the collection. So excuse if I look like I'm gonna fall asleep because I had to take my antihistamine pills or my allergy pills. I have been like dealing with rash on my legs, on my arms. Oh my goodness, I mean like really like inflamed skin. So I decided to make an appointment, and I just couldn't wait. I had to take my pills. I was like scratching my legs and my arms. So my legs and arms are getting better right now, but oh my goodness, I just couldn't wait. So finally made an appointment. So excuse if I look like I'm gonna fall asleep in here. I hope not, so as you know, I need to upload this video. Okay, so already applied my foundation, concealer, powder on my face, which I normally don't do before, but decided to apply everything on my face. So today, like I mentioned, I'll be doing my first impressions of the new Chanel collection. I already opened the box. I already opened it up because I didn't want to waste time. I wanted to show you guys the products right away. So I have one of the quads. I have the purple one because I love purples. And also they came out with like a neutral, like everyday shades. So this is the number 378. So $62, I think $65. Very pricey, expensive. It's Chanel. It's bougie. It's a luxury brand. So this is the quad. Here's a made in Italy. So it came with these. I don't know what to call these. I do not care for these. I just wish like luxury brands would stop putting these because I feel like they're just a waste of money, in my opinion. So I'm gonna show you the shades inside. Really nice, pretty. They look really like my type of shades, like smoky, like neutral, smoky, purple shades. Really pretty. Nice packaging. Came with this pouch like any other luxury brands. So very nice. And also I got the this seems like a lot of people really like this shade. So this is the waterproof liner in graphite, the gray one, metallic gray one, because I have been using metallic liners on my waterline. I think I only have one from Urban Decay, which like almost expired, so I decided to get a new one. And then this is, I'm not sure this is from the summer collection, then maybe from the previous collection, the new summer collection. I think all of the shades were sold out when I checked out the Chanel's website. I wanted to get the 100th anniversary collection from Chanel, but I'm allergic and I've been dealing with the rash on my legs. I decided to pass on those like very beautiful like body products. So I only got makeup products from Chanel. So this is the Rouge Cuckoo Bloom in the shade Opportunity. So I'm gonna be using everything on my face already. I'll prime my lids. I'm gonna try out this beautiful palette. I hope that I would like this one. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna dip my brush with this purple lilac shade. I think I'm gonna try this one as my transition shade, and I'm using the rougher number 16 brush. Oh my god, I feel like I just wanna go sleep right now. And it's not even 7 o'clock, it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I feel like I wanna go to bed right now. And then I'm just gonna do the way I apply my shadows. This is pretty. This is not matte, this is more like a satin shade, which I do not mind at all. Kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury, like her quads. I have I think I have two, and this is very similar. I'm not mad at all. Sometimes I like to use um satin shades on my eyes. This is pretty. I'm gonna take the this shade. They don't have names. Nope. So I'm gonna use this one like next to the transition shade. This is a really pretty plummy purple shade, and this is the brush reference number 16 brush. This is so hard because I feel like I'm gonna doze off, guys. I mean, I'm not even surprised like I'm gonna doze off applying these shadows. But this is pretty. I like this one. Really, really nice. I'm gonna try out. I'm gonna smoke it out with this darker shade. Is black, grayish shade. I think this is a satin shade because this one is a matte shade. Matte shade, satin shade is the transition shade, and I think this is this grayish black shade is a matte. Oh no, it's a satin shade. So I'm just gonna smoke out the edge part of my eye because this is pretty. So this is a really nice like a smoky purple palette. I think I'm gonna drag it along in here. Next, I'll be using this lighter shade. I'm gonna use this, apply this one. Oh, this is the only like the two matte shades and two satin shades in my opinion. You know what? Let me try this one. See if this one works. I used to play with my mom's makeup, and her makeup came with these like I don't know what you call these. I used to play with her makeup palette, and I used to play with the what do you call these like sponge tip. Not bad, but I would not definitely not use this one. Too stiff for my liking. I never use these, and then yeah. I'm just so lazy to go to my room or to get something like another brush. Alright, so very nice. Like how the shadows look like in person. I don't know how they look like on camera, but I mean they are so pretty. So I'm not gonna wing out my eyes too much right now, so I'm just gonna clean up the edges. So this is what I do all the time. You know what, I'm gonna mix these two shades for my lower lashes. I'm gonna clean up the edges. This is what I do all the time. Very impressed. No fallout at all, like hardly any fallout. So I'm gonna let's put on my false lashes because I love false lashes. I like to wear false lashes, and then excuse the noise, and I'll be right back. So I applied everything on my face except for the pencil waterproof gel liner, also lip product. Applied way too much blush like all the time, and bronzer. So I always list all the makeup products on my description box below if you guys are interested. Anyways, I have the waterproof gel liner in the shade Grace Graphite. They came up with goodness, so many shades, especially those like colorful bright shades are so pretty. I'm gonna swatch this one again. So this is a beautiful shimmery metallic gray, shimmery metallic, really metallic. Use this mirror, I guess, and I'm gonna waterline with this. Oh my god, this is really, I don't know if you could see it on camera in person. It's beautiful, really, really beautiful. And the last item is the Rouge Cuckoo Bloom in the shade Opportunity. I'm not sure if this is from the new collection. I think from the previous collection. So this one, I'm gonna type down the price of this. Really nice, beautiful black and gray packaging. This waterliner. Oh my god, so beautiful. It's more metallic gel, waterproof. No, metallic gel liner, not shimmer metallic, and this is the shade Opportunity. Really nice and creamy. Oh wow, very bright. I thought this would be like a nude shade, but I was wrong. Let's see. Really like the colors. I enjoyed applying the shadows. Very easy to blend, surprisingly very easy to blend, and I really like the shadows. I like a very soft smoky look, not like, oh no, like matte purple look, like not all matte purple eye makeup, but like a soft matte eye makeup finish. I really like the eye makeup today. Oh my god, the shadows blended beautifully. I really enjoyed blending out the shadows. Really loved this palette, although I only used this once, so definitely I'm going to use this one again. And then next item I'm gonna talk about is the waterproof gel liner. This one, ooh, this one, this is like my second favorite one from the new collection. I'm thinking of ordering 2 or 3 more from this. So this one really nice. I have the shade Grace Graphite, which is a metallic gray finish. I like to use metallic eyeliners on my waterline. I do not like to use black and dark brown so much because they make me look too old. So I really like this one. Loved the formulation. It's not like a prairie, like I really had to build up the pigmentation maybe like 2 or 3 times, but I really like how this one look like on my waterline. I really like this one, guys, so much. Not like, but loved this one so much, although I only used this once. Applied very nicely, very nicely. And and also it feels very nice. Doesn't feel like I have like something inside my eyes. Like sometimes, you know, I use something metallic shades, they get into your eyes, like the where's the one, like the glitters get into the eyes. No, nothing at all. Very nice. I really like the formulation. I really loved the formulation. And then the last one, this one, really like this one. It feels a little greasy in my opinion. Very juicy, very like almost almost like greasy feeling. It feels a little too heavy, but I still really like this one. So yeah, but the gel liner and the quad, oh my god, I really love these 2 items. This one, I really like the color of this, but just feels a little too greasy for me, in my opinion. I mean, I just feel like feels a little greasy. I feel like I have a lot of oil on my lips right now. So those are all the products that I purchased from the additional summer 2021 collection, and I feel like I'm gonna doze off, and I feel like I'm gonna go to sleep because I feel like dizzy right now. So let me know what you guys think about these new Chanel summer 2021 collection. Please comment down below, and thank you for watching my video. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up because that would really help me a lot. And then I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.